A man sitting on a chair had an idea. He wanted to catch a bird with his hands and surprise his children. He waited very quietly. When a small bird came close, he quickly caught it. The bird got scared and tightly bit the man's finger with its beak. All the children watching were shocked. The man tried to give the bird some food so it would let go of his finger, but the bird refused to eat. After a second try, the bird accepted the food and finally let go of his finger. The bird still looked very confused. It could not understand if the man was helping it or planning to cook and eat it.